report what you say,
You listen to your opinion,
analyze the problem,
concern to your move,
and states the truth.
This
This is I States.
Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning, world.
Good morning, Ladder High School.
Good morning, Quezon City. This is I States.
This day, another interactive segments we bring to you.
Another 5-minute show that can inform and persuade you about the current issues of our nation.
In our generation today, all of us are exposed in the social world as one of our ways to communicate and stay connected with other people around the world.
We can see there are so many social sites all over the world. But what do you think is the most popular?
Yes, it's a great question. So here is Janine Espinola to report. Janine, state this now.
We researched the top 10 most popular sites today, and we find out that the Facebook is the popular and most visited site. Almost all the people are using this. From the richest person to the poorest person, from the popular people and even to the simplest person on earth are using this site. Current events and updates are here also, so everybody's want to have an account. Because even school, TV, and radio stations and other companies are in this site by having pages where all the people can publicly connect to them. Janine Espinola and my iStates.
Thank you, Janine Espinola. Can this benefit us or just distract us? We did some interview of some students about their opinions, suggestions, and share their opinions about this topic.
So Dessa, Janine, and Shindy, state this now. Ay, basahin mo yung file page. Oh, hindi. Maganda yung diary.
Tanong sa'yo, paano po ba nakaka-apekto sa pag-aaral mo yung social network?
Yung unang-unang nakaka-apekto doon kasi yung, based on my own experience kasi, parang pagdating ko sa bahay, hindi agad kain yung inaatupag ko or yung assignment. Una kong hahanapin is yung computer or yung laptop kasi gusto ko mag-Facebook muna ako, mag-Twitter muna ako. So, yun, minsan papabayaan ko yung pag-aaral ko the way na hindi ko nagagawa yung assignment ko, yung mga projects, yung mga group work. Kasi mas inuuna ko yung Facebook, Twitter. Kasi mas gusto ko may mga makausap ko. Tapos may makausap ko yung crush ko. Parang ganun ba yung mga kaibigan ko. Pero ang epekto niya masama para sa pag-aaral.
Para po sa akin, ang social network is may dalawang epekto sa atin. Kasi sa akin po kasi ang social networks, di ba kapag narinig po natin ang social networks, diyan po papasok yung mga modern technologies, diyan po papasok yung mga social networks. So social networks po is, diyan po is the most popular po ngayon na social network is the Facebook and the Twitter. So, para po sa akin, ang social network is may dalawang epekto sa atin. The first, the disadvantage po, saka advantage. Tapos yung advantage naman po ng social network is, mas na-express po natin mga feelings natin about sa what's happening in our surroundings. Then the disadvantage naman po is, nga po, kaka-status natin sa Facebook or Twitter, di po natin maiwasan yung mga conflict between sa mga friends natin. Yun lang po.
We get different answers and information from all the people we interview. Some say it can benefit, but some are not. And there are some don't care about it.
And this is our 5-minute show for today.
We hope that all of you satisfied and made this show can help you to know the real situation of our nation.
Because we report what you say,
You listen to your opinion,
analyze the problem,
concern to your move.
and states the truth.
This is Zara Leonardo.
And Joyce Aragon. This is I States.